I hope you have Anaconda Navigator installed in your computer. So as a first step, let's go ahead and start our Anaconda Navigator. So I'm going to go into my Launchpad and I'm going to launch my Anaconda Navigator from here. Sometimes it takes more than 2 tries for me to do it. But as soon as you're going to launch it, you will see an interface that's going to expose all sorts of programming environments that Anaconda Navigator comes with. As I've mentioned, that we will be using Jupyter Notebook, which is right around here, to learn to code in Python. Let's go ahead and launch Jupyter Notebook. Now, while it's launching, let me tell you why I have selected Python for you. Now, Python is a very powerful programming language. It supports procedural as well as object-oriented programming, and it's a simple language, easy to learn, and it's very versatile. When I say versatile, it means you can develop applications using this programming language as well as a lot